Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. If you're new here, I'm Sam, and today we're making a classic dish that's light, refreshing, and absolutely delicious, Lemon Chicken Paillard. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a fancy weekend meal, so let's get started. Here's what you'll need. We're going to start off by mincing our shallot into a very small dice. On to the garlic. We're going to mince that very fine as well. Now let's chop our chives. Now we're going to start preparing our chicken. Okay, so we're going to slice horizontally through the chicken till we get 2 fillets. To make paillard, we're going to pound these chicken breasts thin so they cook quickly and evenly. Cover the chicken with plastic wrap and then use a meat mallet or rolling pin to pound them to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Once your chicken is nice and thin, season both sides generously with salt and pepper. Now it's time to cook our chicken. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's golden brown and cooked through. Since it's so thin, it won't take long. Look at that beautiful sear. Once the chicken is done, remove it from the pan and let it rest for a minute. Now we're going to make a quick little pan sauce. Start by throwing your shallot into the skillet and cook over medium heat until softened, about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, you're going to toss in your garlic and cook until it's fragrant for about a minute. Now you're going to add 1 cup of chicken stock. Bring it to a simmer while deglazing the pan, gently scraping the brown bits from the bottom. You're going to let it simmer until the sauce reduces by about half and slightly thickens, about 3 to 4 minutes. Now squeeze in about a tablespoon of lemon juice. You can now add the zest of 1 lemon. You're going to add in 4 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Go ahead and add that 1/4 cup of chives now as well. Give your sauce a good stir, but make sure that it's on low heat. Now add your chicken back to the pan and let it heat through for a minute or 2. We're gonna whip up a quick little vinaigrette for our greens. This is totally optional, but I love the added flavor it brings. We'll start by mincing 2 tablespoons of shallots. Next, we're gonna roughly chop about 1/4 cup of honey roasted pistachios. Yum! This will give us a little bit of a sweet crunch. Now we're gonna slice our green olives in half. Now to build our dressing. We're gonna start off with 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, followed by 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of honey. Throw in those shallots that you so lovingly chopped. Zest about half a lemon into there, because why not? Squeeze out 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it all a good beating until it emulsifies. Gotta hit it up with that salt and pepper. Now on to the fun part, plating our dish. I like to slice the chicken, but this is totally optional and you can leave it whole. We're gonna start off with a bed of greens. I used spring mix here, but you can use butter lettuce, arugula, or whatever is in season. Next, go ahead and throw on your green olives and chopped pistachios. Sprinkle on your chives. Drizzle over with a little bit of dressing. Once again, this is totally optional. Now place your chicken paillard right over the top. And now give it a nice hit of that pan sauce. I like to garnish with a little bit of chives on top for that pungent bite. And there you have it, Lemon Chicken Paillard. It's light, zesty, and perfect for any occasion. You have got to try this at home. If you enjoyed this recipe like I did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Good.
What a good combination with like the leaves and the chicken.